Hello, I'm Delta Simmons, and this is a review / bug testing for BO2's Bus Depot by Iconic Plush. Yes, I don't remember they have done that. And so he's asked anyone on the Discord, part of the community, to test this out to make sure if it's running any better. And he's added the Wunderwaffe, what I'm not going to try and grab because it says, oh yeah, it's for 900, it's Rick Astley. It's a copyright claim practically to me, just waiting on the wall. But let's get into playing a bit of the Bus Depot. Yes, I have done this map in the past, so have I done that because I'm now actually working with the map creators to beta test stuff and help them be able to get this game to where fans can say it's right on point. Get what I mean? Because to me, as you know, I love BO2. One of the best games and one of the best zombies modes that came from BO2. Nah, let's just... Got another zombie somewhere. Has he gone on like a piss break or something? Hello? Final zombie! Oh, hello. This might be a bug. Oh, no, he legit went on a smoke break. What? I think the round ended, but the round music didn't play. Okay, there you go. A bug already. Boys, we found a bug thing for him. Unless, give me a second, that was me. No, it's not a bug. I had to turn it down because of on the wall and faded off. 900. So any dumbass is going to go, oh, wonder weapon for 900. Oh, I'm going to have some of that. What is it going to be? It's going to be a Rick Astley, like, you know, Rick roll. It's just going to be brilliant for you. So when you get greedy, you think, oh, I'm about to get a cool weapon. Yeah, the music is fine, it's just my fault. That happens. Yes, I have they couldn't hear me. You can't hear me. You can't hear anyone. Yes, I've sorted the audio by now, so you can actually hear me talk without the gun sounding like, and then like it's trying to kill you. Get off my back already! I know. But yeah, graphically, it has upgraded again, because if you go back, watch my first video on Bus Depot, you couldn't see inside here. Because he made the fog like way too thick. Even he admitted that one and said, yeah, that's his fault. He made it a bit too Sorry. Okay, let's get outside, shall we? So now you can actually see. It looks gorgeous. About to say, I'm stuck with an actual fucking sniper rifle. We're into the nine, boys. Nah, right. I'll show you everything that's new. Nothing. I mean, yeah, he's added this door in the original gameplay. When I showed it, you can actually go in there. He's added this shotgun on the wall. He's added some more weapons around the map. He's now dialed the fog off so you can actually see outside of the map. And he's hidden a pack-a-punch machine right there outside the map where you can't actually get to. Because he's evil. He knows people want a pack-a-punch machine. It kind of makes sense for them. You will want a pack-a-punch machine to be able to survive, to upgrade weapons and actually do more damage, because the longer you play the map, less damage these weapons actually do against the zombies. So, what would be perfect? What's that? A pack-a-punch machine. Oh boy, would it be. So yes, if you try and you really want a pack-a-punch machine, yeah, nope. Oh, that's actually a nice gun. It's actually decent. Let's test if he's fixed the snipers. Liberuski. Yes, he has. Oh! No, Scab! No. So yeah, it looks gorgeous with like the blue mixed with the orange and the ashes falling, the lava. Does do enough damage. Imagine if the barrels were hoppable, because it would be amazing to run out there and, you know, explore the rest of this section of the map. He could easily do that. He could open this up and make it so you can find them. You have to make it so you can get to Pack-a-Punch in the outskirts of the map by actually using No, he won't do that. Because why would you do that? Types and just as like black hair. There's now the white shambler type, what he nicknamed them. Yes, he called them the shamblers, don't worry. I think they were named shamblers. So I ain't gonna look into that. It's not worth my time. If it was, I would, but because it's just a different type of zombie with white hair instead of black haired zombies I've been seeing in the last few maps. No differences. It's kind of nice to have a different type of zombie. I'm always curious about Black Ops 2. Is the zombies, why are they wearing straight jackets? Anyone ever noticed that? Am I the first? No, I'm not. I know there's a lore video talking about how the zombies are always in straitjackets.
Fetch me their swords!
So, question to you all, if you want to waste your time and look into that, don't send me any messages about it, because I'm just saying it as a noteworthy question for those fans who always look into so much shite. Yes, I do look into the lore, yes, I do enjoy the lore, yes, I do enjoy COD for what it is, and I do love the zombie story, the original zombie story. I do like Black Ops 2 Zombies story with the Victus crew being I would rather kill myself. $50 B&G. Oh my god, the Galil's in this? Oh god, the site's a bit fucked, but that is the Galil. I know me and Galil when I see it, plus it's always been in Black Ops 2, why the fuck am I? Yeah, that site is a bit far up, isn't it? Galil makes magic. If you didn't get the hammer, the Galil was like the second best gun to get. And plus, it has 9 mags. I see 430. And plus, it's easier to reload half the time. But yeah, I've now figured out that I can go longer than 30 minutes, so there might be long format videos coming out in the future where I do multiple maps in one video. But no, this is more for me to actually show off in the group, so he can actually see if there's any bugs on the Quest version, because I am recording on a Quest, as most people have figured out, because of the audio sounds like to be blunt. But there is a secret. If I stick my head for it all in quick succession. What's that? It's the fucking teleporter from Kino. So unless he's gonna, you better answer this bloody question, Iconic, if you see this video, because I'm gonna name it Iconic Answer the Damn Question. What's with the Pack-a-Punch being on the bus on the outside? And what's with the Kino teleporters being hidden behind a locked door? Are we going to be able to do like a small Easter egg on this map? So that would be crazy. It's like how now Kino Numa, the actual version, now actually has a full style Easter egg that starts at around 17. You can unlock the beginning of the Easter egg. Screw it. I'm dead. What rounds? Come on. Let's see. Round 8, like usual. But either way, yes, the game is running smooth. Yes, this is my bug report in some terms to Iconic Plush, who was the map creator of that beautiful map. If you need to know again, just click on that, type in the map. So we'll go here, we'll go BO2. Oh look, Bus Depot right there. Iconic, Bowser. Iconic's the one I know. I've never met Bowser, but I heard he's meant to be alright. Or she, I don't know. But either way, all of these maps, like the Reese, fucking amazing map by Vijor and Tristan. Even this, Jack, Tooth, Shino Numa, Find Takio's Dojo, last long as your starting room spiders. Why is that their thing there? So practically that has a proper Easter egg. What's around about 5 parts. It starts at round 17 when you hear a voice, I know where you're sleeping, it'll say. From there you got to find all the teddy bears, then the meteorite, then you can access the meteorite, what will teleport you to a hidden room with a katana. From there you need to purchase a golden pistol off the wall, get the katana, and then from there you have to go to a certain room in the doctor's quarters, I think it is, and there is a table with golden gun pieces. From there you got to get 30 kills next to it, it's a soul box. From there you got to get another 30 kills with the katana, and then from there it's something else, and then you unlock, I think, Pack-a-Punch in the end. But either way, there is a proper Easter egg. They are getting to this point where if you want to play COD Z like properly, you want to get a couple mates on it, you can. There will be Easter eggs in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on our depot, and I hope Iconic can see if there's any bad things. So yeah, thank you for watching, and peace. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.